Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen how we can pass basic properties to the component. Now in this video we are going to learn how we can pass advanced properties to the component like array, component, union type and optional parameters. So how we can create it? Suppose I start from the optional parameter. Suppose here I have a property number of subscriptions. So I say number of subscriptions, number of subscriptions as a number type, and I save this. As I save this, you see we have an error. So we will have an error here because we are passing two properties, but we are not passing the number of subscribers here for this channel. But I don't want to use this property right now. So what are the options? I don't want to use this, but it's showing an error that you are not mentioning this property. You see we have an error that number of subscriber is missing in type. So how we can tell the React that we don't want this right now, this is optional. So just we have to pass here question mark and save it, and you will see that it will run without any problem and it would not show any error. So for optional parameter we may have a question mark like this. Now we see how we can use union type, arrays and objects. So for that I create a new component and I say playlist info.tsx, and we have the file. Now I can write here fc, the functional component with the property interface, and I gave here name playlist info like this. Now I have to remove this because I am using here the functional component. Now in interface we have playlist pro, so I pass here props and I say it is playlist props type. Now here I create a div tag. Under this div tag I will mention the information that first of all I see h2, then under the h2 I write we have playlist on following languages like this. We have playlist on following languages, and here I will display the list of languages. So for that here I create the lang info and I say it is a string type of array like this. And then I say first of all I do this only, then I will use object also. Now I call this under the app and I call it here and I say playlist info. So here it will ask the language information. So I create here array, I say const lang equal to, and I say we have Java, we have Kotlin, we have Golang, then we have React and etc. Whatever we want we can take this, save this, and we pass here the lang equal to the lang we are passing here, the array I am passing here, and the same array I am getting here like this. Now I just display this. For displaying this I need this JSX, then I need props dot lang dot map, and under this map I want to display one by one. So I say L means language info, and here I use li. Under this li I display L, and here in key also I pass L information, and before that I need ol, and I just cut this, and here also I need ol closing, and I save this. And remember that if I run this you will have we have the problem here. So what I have to do, I have to use JSX here also to display the value of this. I save this. Now you see the language information is coming, but I want it to the left side. So for that I may use class name for bootstrap, that is text start. Save this, and you will see that we have, so in a playlist we have a class name text start, but we have not installed the bootstrap here in this. So for that I need to install bootstrap also. So I just go to React TypeScript, then React TypeScript, then I go to learn TypeScript, and here I have to install npm I, and then we have to type bootstrap at the rate 5.2.0 beta version, and I just press this enter and it will install bootstrap. Done. Now I have to insert this bootstrap in index.tsx, and here I just import and I say bootstrap, then I say dist folder, then I say css folder, then I say bootstrap.css like this, and I save this. I just close this, and now if you see output, we have it is to the left side, that we have playlist on following languages, this one. So successfully we have passed array as a property to the component and TypeScript. Now I want to pass object also. So what I did, I create I use app also, and here I just mention a object. I say const, and I say number of videos like this, and then I have this object number of videos. I have this object, and here I pass videos on Java. We have I say 100 videos. Then I say on Kotlin I have 200 videos. Then I say on Golang I have 150 videos. Then on React I say I have 150 videos. Like this I give information in an object. Remember that. I save this, and I need to pass this information, so I am passing this here. I say videos equal to, and here I pass number of videos like this. So as I mentioned here, the object I pass object, it have a error because we do not have a videos property here. So I go to this playlist, and here I create videos property. I say videos, and this property is of object type, and under this we have Java of number type. Then we have Kotlin of number type. Then we have Golang of number type. Then we have React with number type. You may have any number of type. Just an example, I am just creating a situation here for you, and you see that we have this videos here as a object, and here I'm passing this. So Java, Kotlin, Golang, React. So Kotlin is missing, so we have spelling mistake here, Kotlin, and I save this. You see error is gone. Now I need to display this information also, so I can display here, and I say in h2 that we have number of videos on following languages like this, and then I will display it ol like this. Then I say li, and here I print props dot videos dot java like this. So I say here on Java we have this playlist. So I copy this and I paste it 4 times, and here I say on Kotlin, I just pass here Kotlin, then here I pass Golang, here I pass React, here I pass Golang, here I pass React. I save this and you will see the output. We have number of videos on following languages like this. We have the output also. This also we have. So successfully we have passed the object also as a property, array also. One more thing I want to mention here, like this way we can pass some information also to display like that. Suppose a username I want to display. So one more thing I say, suppose I say here a username, I say user name, and I specify here that username is Dr. Vipin Classes, like this for example, or I can say like this. So username is not mentioned here, so I can specify username also like this, username. Remember that I will put here the string, so error will gone, and I just username is there, playlist, so I have to save it also this way. Done. Now we have this and I have to display this username, so I say here that h2 welcome, and I say username, so props dot username like this, and I need to insert under this. So save this and you will see that we have welcome Dr. Vipin Classes, but maybe that user writes some other information here. For example, here in app component, if in place of user I type something else like this, I type this one and I save it, so it is also a string and we will have this information. That is not good. So we can make a specified value also. We can say of union type string data type. So how we can do this, that we are going to learn. So suppose I specify here that you can only type like this Dr. Vipin Classes, then you can also specify that Dr. Vipin Teotia, then you can also specify guest. For example, we say guest. 3 options are allowed, otherwise we do not allow anything except this. You see we have error now. So this is the error because you can't parse this. So if I say guest, save this, so it's okay, no problem at all. We have a guest, and if you have Dr. Vipin Classes, no problem, it will also work, remember that. But if we have other than this, so if I say here a username Dr. Vipin and I save this, you see we have error because Dr. Vipin is not allowed, Dr. Vipin Teotia is allowed, so we save it and this is allowed. So like that way we may have a result, and we can specify the what kind of value you want to use in a username by using union string type, you see. So this is all about advanced properties in React using Typescript. We have used array also, we have used object also, we have used union type also, and we also used optional parameter also. So like that way we may pass all kind of information to the component as a property. That's all in this video. If you learn something, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.